friends, it's time for Sado starter status update day 12. However, my starter was ready within 9 days, and this is how your starter should look like when I say it is ready. Big bubbles, sweet smell, and it rises rapidly within 4 hours, is full of big bubbles and smells amazing. Do not forget to refresh your starter every time to keep it fresh. The next step is maintenance once your starter is ready, and maintenance is always in the refrigerator. Feed it with the same proportions. Keep the refresh starter out for 30 minutes after feed and then shift it to the refrigerator. Discard and feed will always be the same. Then shift it to the fridge, cover with a loose lid in the refrigerator. And when every third day you need to feed it to keep it fresh and to keep a check on your starter's sourness. Feed every third day to keep starter fresh forever. Remove from the fridge, let the starter rise at room temperature, discard and feed the same proportions. Same proportions in the sense 3 plus 3 plus 2. 2 is starter and 3 plus 3 is 3 tablespoons of water and 3 tablespoons of flour, whole wheat flour. Then within 30 minutes of feed, put it back to the fridge if you do not want to bake it at that time. However, if you want to bake it, then you will need to feed it after it rises or doubles in size. After removing from the refrigerator, feed it once, let it rise, double in size, and then again discard and feed, and again wait for it to rise for the second time. Once it happens, then your starter is ready for baking, bread baking after rising twice. So remember this. If you want to, and if you don't want to use it in any recipe, just feed, discard and feed. Keep it outside for 10 to 30 minutes depending on the weather. If it is rising rapidly, just shift it before it rises. Feed the rest of the starter, let it sit outside for 10 to 30 minutes and then shift it to the fridge. You do not have to let it rise outside before shifting. We don't want it to happen. If you want to learn how to make a whole wheat sourdough bread less sour, write to me in comments and I'll make a new video on making your whole wheat sourdough bread less sour. I hope you have enjoyed this whole wheat sourdough starter series with me. How much of starter to use for bread? I usually get these questions. Well, ideally the more the starter, the less sour the bread. Why? Because it will rise faster. But there is more to making a bread less sour. And please write to me in comments if you really want to understand the basics of making a bread less sour. How much of starter to use for bread? The same. And I usually use 2 tablespoons of starter in half cup of whole wheat flour or any other flour. I have baked with semolina as well and with whole wheat flour, and I intend to bake with millets as well. Now refrigerate the dough for 5 to 6 hours. I'm talking about the bread. Tip: you may feed the starter with another flour. I have used bajra for feeds as well. Once my starter was ready, I fed it with bajra, so you can use it. And when you feed it with another flour, then your starter will react more rapidly. It might rise more rapidly, so keep an eye on it. Write to me if I have missed any point or if you need any other help regarding sourdough starter or whole wheat sourdough starter. Check all the videos from the series to understand the basics of whole wheat sourdough starter making. And do check comments as well, because we have had long engagements in comments. I hope you enjoyed the whole wheat sourdough starter series India. If yes, please like, share and subscribe. Until next time, take care. Bye bye. See you soon.